Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Chetana, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, pursuing computer science and artificial intelligence engineering. In today's video, let us discuss some points about Hydel power plant. Hydel power plant. Moving on to the introduction, a hydroelectric power plant comprises a set of facilities and electrochemical equipment used to transform water's potential energy into electrical energy and can operate constantly. The available electrical energy is proportional to the flow rate and drop in elevation. Hydroelectric power is obtained from the potential energy of water body located at a certain height above a river channel, which is converted into kinetic energy and finally into electrical energy at the lowest point in the river channel. As you can see, the image or the layout of hydroelectric power plant. It comprises of head water level, dam, inlet valve, penstock, gate, and turbines, generator, transformer, and power lines. Let's move on to the parts of Hydel power plant. Dam and reservoir. The dam is constructed on a large river in hilly areas to ensure sufficient water storage at height. The dam forms a large reservoir behind it. The height of water level, called as waterhead in the reservoir, determines how much of potential is stored in it. Control gate. Water from the reservoir is allowed to flow through the penstock to the turbine. The amount of water which is to be released in the penstock can be controlled by a control gate. When the control gate is fully opened, maximum amount of water is released through the penstock. Penstock. A penstock is the main component of Hydel power plant. Penstock is a huge steel pipe which carries water from reservoir to the turbine. Potential energy of water is converted into kinetic energy as it flows down to the penstock due to gravity. Water turbine. Water from the penstock is taken into water turbine. The turbine is mechanically coupled to an electric generator. Kinetic energy of water drives the turbine and consequently the generator gets driven. There are two main types of water turbine, impulse turbine and reaction turbine. Impulse turbine are used for large heads and reaction turbines are used for low and medium heads. Generator. A generator is mounted in the powerhouse and it is mechanically coupled to the turbine shaft. When the turbine blades are rotated, it drives the generator and electricity is generated, which is then stepped up with the help of a transformer for the transmission purpose. Transformers. Electrical devices to increase or decrease the voltage in an alternating current circuit while maintaining the electric power. Electrical power transmission lines. Cables to transmit the electricity generated. Working of power plant. Most of hydroelectric power plants have a reservoir of water, a gate or a valve to control how much water flows out the reservoir and an outlet or place where the water ends up after flowing downwards. Water gains potential energy just before it spills over the top of a dam or flows down a hill. The potential energy is converted into kinetic energy as the water flows downhill. The water can be used to turn the blades of a turbine to generate electricity, which is distributed to the power transformers to consumers. Moving on to the advantages of hydroelectric power plant. No fuel is required as potential energy stored in water is used for electricity generation. Neat and clean source of energy. Very small running charges as water is available free of cost. Comparatively, less maintenance is required as long life, serves other purposes too, such as irrigation. Disadvantages: very high capital cost to construction of dam, high cost of transmission as hydro power plants are located in hilly areas which are quite away from the consumers. So these are some of the points about hydel power plant. I hope it may help for your studies. Thank you.